Yes, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, this is still Fred Odongo, a student of Gulu University. Now we are yet to look at another concept altogether. Since in the previous one we look at how to create folders, so in this sharing, we are going to look at what is called PowerPoint. I will talk about PowerPoint in the first place. This is just a presentation program that is used to deliver content, can even be information to the audience, users, or people. Yes. Now, what are the steps that are involved in PowerPoint? Of course, I will first, as we look at in the previous discussion, I will create my folder. Where I will store my presentation. That is of course going to be the first step. Create my folder where I will store my presentation. That is important. Of course, when I get done with that, we shall now of course move to and see how to start PowerPoint. Now in starting a PowerPoint, based on the folder that I've just created, you saw I created a folder. Based on the folder I've just created, I will open Microsoft PowerPoint. Just click on that, as you can see. So I'm going to open that. Then after I will go to new. I hope you can see. Come to this part of new. Then I will move and choose Microsoft PowerPoint. I will choose that, as you can see. Now that I've chosen that, of course I will now click open. I will click open. As you can see, it is running. Fine, you can see that it is now open. Just like that. I think we are moving together. Yes, that is that. Now, again from this other next step, one other thing that is also important is that now that of course it is open, we have created PowerPoint, it is open. I will also show you how to insert what is called a slide. Now with inserting a slide, of course we shall come in the home tab. Then as you come here, of course you are going to see a new slide button. I think you can see that part, new slide button. Then I'm going to click on it just the way I've done. You can see that. So you find that I've already inserted a slide. Now from this point, we can also move ahead and see how we can delete a slide. Now that it is created, how do we again delete? So still I will come on the slide. I will still come there, this side on the slide. Then there I choose delete slide. Yes, I choose delete slide. Just like yes. Now ladies and gentlemen, I think we are still moving together. Now I've created my existing slide, as you can see. I've created it, and now we shall move and explain the slide view. We shall talk about the slide view in this case, where we shall start by talking of, can say, on normal view. On normal view, yeah, with this one here on normal view, this one, it just gives you a view of the entire slide. Its purpose is just to give you a view of the entire slide. That is the first one under that. Then of course there's also what we call slide shorter view. We also have slide shorter view. where this one is just used in arranging or arrangement of slide in order during a presentation. Just like that, arranging slide in order just during a presentation, as you can see that. Fine. Then ladies and gentlemen, of course we also have the reading view. With the reading view, this one else, if you want to read just through the slide, if you want to go through, you want to read through the slide, of course you will have to use the reading view if you want to read through the slide. Then we shall also not forget to talk about slideshow view. Another aspect here still under that is slideshow view. Of course, with this one, it is just used for viewing. We just use this one for viewing during, of course, a presentation, just during presentation. So its purpose is for viewing during a presentation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we also need to know how to zoom the slide, because at times we may want to increase, at times we may also want to decrease. So what do we do there? With increasing the slide, if you can either choose a plus sign. Of course, we'll just go and choose a plus sign, as you can see where I'm pointing here in my PC. So there you find that it has increased. Like if you can see at the beginning it wasn't like this, but now I have done the zooming. Why? Could be I have like a large number of audience that some would want to see from far. So it is important that in this case I can zoom the slide. So if I want to increase, as I told you, of course I will choose the plus minor. You can see how I've increased it. I think you can see that. Then I may also want like to reduce. Could be I have like few number of audience just within some short distance. There's no need for me to increase. So I will come and also choose the minus for reducing. Just like that, as you can see, I keep clicking that. You find it getting reduced, smaller and smaller, just like that. Then again it has increased. Thank you so much. That is all what we actually do. You know, also this other. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, still we are moving to this part where we also need to know how to apply themes. So there is applying of themes. When you look at themes here, these are just, of course, design templates. Just design templates. So we shall come, then we point this part of design and we click on the tab, click the design tab, just the way I've done. Then of course you can see the themes group. We now have the themes group. So with the themes group, in this case we can just decide and choose just only one. You can just choose only one. There are many. I can just decide and choose or pick only one, just of my choice. Like I have picked this other one. I've picked this other one. Just like that. Okay. Now we are still going to look at also what is called alignment. So with alignment, we can align it left, as you can see from here. This one is ready in the left. So whatever thing I want to align, I can first highlight, as I have done, you can see. So after highlighting, I would click on the alignment. Of course, this one will take me to the left. There is this way. If I want to bring it in the center, I will come and click on this other one. You can just see that it is in the center. Then there's also alignment in the right. Of course, we started with the left. We again came to the one in the middle. Now this alignment is in the right. If I want to push it on the right, I come and tap on that. Then you just find it move this other side of the right, just like that. So that is what you do But of course, there's also numbering of like the pages. Numbering of the pages. This can be done in several ways. We can first start by bulleting, where you just find points are numbered through bulleting, as you can see here. So you can do that. I can even use like alphabets. Alphabet can also work, or even numbers. Alphabets, yeah, like for the case of this one, this is for numbers. I'm pointing this one. I can even again come back and maybe use like Romans. Just any, you choose any that you can use there. There are very many. The one that you want to apply here, you do the selection and you find it come. Yeah, just like that. Yes, members, one other thing I was also forgetting here, which is very important, is also what we can take it as line spacing. As you see, line spacing is important. So the first step we do under line spacing here is by coming, then you highlight the words just the way I've done. Then you just choose any that you want to use. Just like I can talk like 2.5 or this other one, automatically you find I get of course